Okay, now that I think the pot it's perfect on the outside, I didn't want to touch it, do anything else to it. There's nothing else I want to do to it. You know, visually, it's perfect. But what we all need to do, especially in the beginning, is to examine our pots ourselves from the inside. So we want to examine these walls and see how consistent we were. See? Perfect. It's not heavy on the bottom. It's not too thin in the middle. A nice rim right there. Okay? And that's where you want to be. I mean, you could even get even more perfect than that, but you'd be spending a lot more time with it. But you just want to cut your stuff in half every now and then to see where you're at, to make sure that your pots are suitable to be fired all the way through to stoneware or any other. Because if right now, you can just do this, you can do this, and you can make it into anything else. Once you fire it, I mean, you're making stone, and it's going to be around forever. So you want to make sure that it's perfect.